Welcome back to my channel.
Why are my students lazy?
Why are my students lazy?
Tom looks like a rich man.
Tom looks like a rich man.
Get this stuff out of here.
Get this stuff out of here.
He is beginning to cry.
He is beginning to cry.
He criticized his rival severely.
He criticized his rival severely.
Is there a free spot?
Is there a free spot?
It was a great show.
It was a great show.
He walks to school.
He walks to school.
You made her very happy.
You made her very happy.
We both want the same thing.
We both want the same thing.
Oh, just my luck.
Oh, just my luck.
Tom ran to Mary's office.
Tom ran to Mary's office.
The white parasol is hers.
The white parasol is hers.
Would you like some advice?
Would you like some advice?
It's my job to help people.
It's my job to help people.
I packed their suitcases for them.
I packed their suitcases for them.
I usually stay up late.
I usually stay up late.
Please answer me by telegram.
Please answer me by telegram.
He is reasonable in his demands.
He is reasonable in his demands.
All the money is lost.
All the money is lost.
She may well say so.
She may well say so.
She is a sweet girl.
She is a sweet girl.
Don't let Tom hit you.
Don't let Tom hit you.
Tom has lost his mind.
Tom has lost his mind.
This is a sensitive issue.
This is a sensitive issue.
The king was a great huntsman.
The king was a great huntsman.
Someone stole all my money.
Someone stole all my money.
My glass is dirty.
My glass is dirty.
Tom is getting what he deserves.
Tom is getting what he deserves.
Tom arrived here 30 minutes early.
Tom arrived here 30 minutes early.
The woman has beautiful cheeks.
The woman has beautiful cheeks.
Tom lived abroad for 3 years.
Tom lived abroad for 3 years.
Japanese houses are small.
Japanese houses are small.
I am considering my options.
I am considering my options.
I'd like a large portion, please.
I'd like a large portion, please.
I think we lost her.
I think we lost her.
We will look at it later.
We will look at it later.
Tom treats his employees generously.
Tom treats his employees generously.
We will go talk to her.
We will go talk to her.
Tom doesn't like computers.
Tom doesn't like computers.
I thought about Tom.
I thought about Tom.
What if someone sees us?
What if someone sees us?
Susan burst into tears.
Susan burst into tears.
Tom immediately went to Mary's place.
Tom immediately went to Mary's place.
A fleeting glimpse of eternity.
A fleeting glimpse of eternity.
Fortunately, we are no longer young.
Fortunately, we are no longer young.
He seldom stays home on Sundays.
He seldom stays home on Sundays.
I was walking, not driving.
I was walking, not driving.
Tom can't tie his shoes.
Tom can't tie his shoes.
I have a sensitive skin.
I have a sensitive skin.
Does Tom know that you're here?
Does Tom know that you're here?
This material has a rough texture.
This material has a rough texture.
What's your natural hair color?
What's your natural hair color?
I can handle it myself.
I can handle it myself.
He is at home on batting.
He is at home on batting.
We may experience some difficulties.
We may experience some difficulties.
The father washes his face.
The father washes his face.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
I was struck by lightning.
I was struck by lightning.
You should ask a doctor.
You should ask a doctor.
He stood on his right.
He stood on his right.
I don't think it'll work out.
I don't think it'll work out.
Germany is a federal state.
Germany is a federal state.
Please put your cigarette out.
Please put your cigarette out.
This is subject to change.
This is subject to change.
What's the special today?
What's the special today?
The thief broke the window.
The thief broke the window.
It took all day.
It took all day.
Do not fear the devil.
Do not fear the devil.
That is a recognized American author.
That is a recognized American author.
I didn't eat dinner last night.
I didn't eat dinner last night.
One must not abuse animals.
One must not abuse animals.
The first step is the hardest.
The first step is the hardest.
The peace talks begin this week.
The peace talks begin this week.
Busy hands are happy hands.
Busy hands are happy hands.
Mary loves the movie Frozen.
Mary loves the movie Frozen.
Basketball is very fun to play.
Basketball is very fun to play.
The scenery is breathtaking.
The scenery is breathtaking.
Thank God that nobody was hurt.
Thank God that nobody was hurt.
Tom and Mary couldn't be happier.
Tom and Mary couldn't be happier.
What will be my legacy?
What will be my legacy?
He wanted to come with us.
He wanted to come with us.
I am looking for my eyeglasses.
I am looking for my eyeglasses.
What am I doing here?
What am I doing here?
How did it feel like?
How did it feel like?
Tell them I had to leave.
Tell them I had to leave.
The place was crawling with cops.
The place was crawling with cops.
I think I finally understand now.
I think I finally understand now.
I don't think we should compromise.
I don't think we should compromise.
Life is at risk.
Life is at risk.
It will just take 3 seconds.
It will just take 3 seconds.
His views are harmful.
His views are harmful.
Do you need a little help?
Do you need a little help?
We didn't complain at all.
We didn't complain at all.
He is facing many difficulties.
He is facing many difficulties.
He speaks so vividly.
He speaks so vividly.
The Titanic hit an iceberg.
The Titanic hit an iceberg.
Ask Tom if he enjoyed it.
Ask Tom if he enjoyed it.
He died a quick death.
He died a quick death.
Tom has already eaten.
Tom has already eaten.
Your cake is delicious.
Your cake is delicious.
Everybody knows I hate her.
Everybody knows I hate her.
This looks like silk.
This looks like silk.
Some medicine does us harm.
Some medicine does us harm.
It doesn't have any meaning.
It doesn't have any meaning.
Today is my aunt's birthday.
Today is my aunt's birthday.
The result proved disappointing.
The result proved disappointing.
People hailed him as king.
People hailed him as king.
Tom was arrested for drunken driving.
Tom was arrested for drunken driving.
Tom bought 3 pounds of bananas.
Tom bought 3 pounds of bananas.
Let's definitely do that.
Let's definitely do that.
I'm not 20 years old yet.
I'm not 20 years old yet.
She assumed an air of indifference.
She assumed an air of indifference.
The virus makes him very feverish.
The virus makes him very feverish.
I will let you tell Tom.
I will let you tell Tom.
Do you think something will happen?
Do you think something will happen?
What are you doing this evening?
What are you doing this evening?
We are just getting started.
We are just getting started.
Where did you peg them up?
Where did you peg them up?
No, it's not necessary.
No, it's not necessary.
Do you like living here?
Do you like living here?
The books are on the bench.
The books are on the bench.
You are absolutely right.
You are absolutely right.
Can you do a headstand?
Can you do a headstand?
I keep old books with care.
I keep old books with care.
Our teacher lives close by.
Our teacher lives close by.
We have to leave tomorrow.
We have to leave tomorrow.
The fan asked for his autograph.
The fan asked for his autograph.
I needed it yesterday.
I needed it yesterday.
Tom is fond of back massages.
Tom is fond of back massages.
Keep them away from us.
Keep them away from us.
Do you know what that means?
Do you know what that means?
Tom fought with all his might.
Tom fought with all his might.
Tom likes talking about the weather.
Tom likes talking about the weather.
I feel a little bad today.
I feel a little bad today.
That little boy can walk.
That little boy can walk.
What did we get?
What did we get?
She has gained a few pounds.
She has gained a few pounds.
I am glad she liked him.
I am glad she liked him.
It's much more complex than that.
It's much more complex than that.
You are not jealous, are you?
You are not jealous, are you?
She will stay for 5 days.
She will stay for 5 days.
You are so busted.
You are so busted.
Would you like more mashed potatoes?
Would you like more mashed potatoes?
How high does a sycamore grow?
How high does a sycamore grow?
Tom has a rock collection.
Tom has a rock collection.
The sun's glare is strong today.
The sun's glare is strong today.
What? What are you talking about?
What? What are you talking about?
I know where this is leading.
I know where this is leading.
I love French movies.
I love French movies.